Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, this is day 2 of this red look. I plan on trying to keep this wig on all week. If you know me and you follow my socials, I change my wig every day. So I'm about to challenge myself and see if I can just create a new hairstyle every day instead of taking my wig off. Here we go. Okay, so the look I'm going for today is some type of updo, probably like a half up, half down. I really don't know. I'm just gonna kind of like make this up as I go. I found some red hair. I found a bundle. Like, it's not like exactly this red, but that's okay because it's gonna be an updo and I think I can make it work. All right guys, so I'm gonna section my hair off. I'm gonna do like 2 little pieces in the front, so I do want to go ahead and section that off first. Then I'm going to go in and I'm gonna section off the sides. Now keep in mind that this is a machine wefted wig. It has lace in the front and it has tracks in the back. I'm only parting it right there where that lace is in the front because I want to make sure that with me doing this half up, half down, I'm not gonna get clowned and you're gonna see my tracks in the back. I'm not with that, so I'm just making sure I part that good. And you can always kind of mold it around, and you know, if you need more hair from the back, you can mold it like I'm about to do to cover the track. So I'm just using water. You can use water and mousse, but I plan on changing this hairstyle a couple times this week, so I don't want to use a lot of product. If you notice here, I'm really like spraying the root. This way I can kind of like guide that hair up to the middle so that it will be nice and sleek and neat. Okay, so I'm doing the other side the same way. I'm going to maneuver everything, get those roots nice and wet so that I can maneuver this ponytail up and everything will be nice and, oh my God, look at that. I'm so clumsy. Anyway, so now I want to go ahead and take that comb. I'm using a very small tooth comb. That way it will comb the hairs up nice and neat. I'm going to do this on each side. You can do a little gel if you want to, but like I said, I'm going to be changing this hairstyle like every day. So I'm just using water just to slick this up because I don't want to put a lot of product on the hair, being that I'm going to change it again. So I'm going to slick this up. I'm going to keep working with it. And you pretty much have to like maneuver this hair because it is weaving. It is tracks back there. But if you notice, I'm kind of sliding that hair towards the back because I want to cover those tracks. If you can see it from the side, I kind of pulled it back. It's not totally straight up in the top. Okay, so now that everything is nice and slick, I'm using my scrunchie to get it nice and tight. I'm taking a little hairspray on the side just to make it nice and smooth. This is a light spray. I'm using the number 8 by Kenra. I'm taking my dryer and I'm kind of pressing it up. This way it keeps it nice and smooth so that I can finish the actual hairstyle. This actually, like, hair when it's wet, like, it dries super fast. So I was able to dry majority of the outer layer with the dryer. Now I'm looking at my part and I'm going in and defining it with the contour cream. Now I'm going to go in with my root. I'm using the easy root because I did notice a little bit of the root was a little lighter, so I wanted to go in and darken it some, and I'm drying it with my dryer. Okay, so here's that extra bundle that I had. It's not exactly the same color as this wig unit, but it's close enough to do a pinup. So I'm just going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to wrap this around. You could do this other ways, but I'm not really trying to make this a, you know, permanent situation. I just want to do something really, really cute, get me a couple pics, and then take it down and do a whole nother hairstyle for the next day. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my barrel curlers. I'm going to be using my T3s. You can get that from Ulta. They're the white curling irons. I'm going to take these curls and I'm going to do just some basic barrel curls. This way I can take that barrel curl and I can create my pin curls that I want to do in this classic updo. These irons are so good and they get so hot. I love them. I'm going to actually, like, after I do my curl, each curl, I'm going to pin it so that the curl will settle and that way it will hold the volume.
Hey, this 101? Hey, 101, draw now. Hey, this 101? Hey, 101, draw now.
Okay, so this is the end result. I'm about to turn around. Y'all gotta tell me what y'all think. I couldn't see the back, and the goal was just to challenge myself on like doing my hair without taking the wig off, because I'm so used to doing my hair without the wig off. I'll do just basic curls, just take my wig off and put it back on, so they perfect. So here we go. Don't laugh. Did it look good? Comment below and tell me like how I did, y'all. Comment below and tell me like what y'all want to see next. Like what look should I do after this, because I'm trying to do a look every day and not take my wig off. This is gonna be a challenge for me, so I think I nailed it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below.